Distributive property. The distributive property states that multiplying or dividing a number by a group of numbers added together is the same as doing its multiplication or division separately. So here we have a times, in parentheses, b plus minus c. The plus minus sign means that we can use both plus and minus. We can replace it with either plus or minus. It's the same as a times b plus minus a times c. And for division, a plus or minus b divided by c, which we have written as a divided by c plus minus b divided by c. 5 times 4 plus 3. And here we have done 5 times 4 plus 5 times 3. So here we done 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. While here we did 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 5 times 3 equals 15. 20 plus 15 equals 35. The result is the same whether we do the addition first in parentheses or if we separate the calculations in multiple multiplications. 4 plus 3 is 7, and while here the result is still 35. 4 plus 6 divided by 2, and here we did 4 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the result doesn't change.